Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by protecting the surrounding paint and removing surface grime. Tape the hood and bumper, then wash and dry the lens. Use 400-600 grit wet sandpaper or a drill sanding pad to remove heavy yellowing. Keep the area wet so you don't burn the plastic. Once the worst oxidation is gone, make sure to move to higher grits progressively. This evens the scratches so the polish will bond and restore clarity. You refine the lens by stepping through finer grits: 800, 1200, 2000, then 3000. Keep the surface wet and use overlapping strokes so scratches become progressively finer. This is why polishing works later. Once done, pat the lens dry and inspect for uniform haze or mist spots, because polishing will magnify imperfections. If any deep pits remain, repeat lower grits briefly. You now polish using a moderate speed buffer or tight circular motions by hand, applying plastic polish until the lens becomes clear. This removes the micro scratches left by sanding. Once satisfied, apply a UV-resistant clear coat or headlight sealant to prevent rapid re-yellowing and let it cure per product instructions. If clarity fades or haze returns, make sure there's no internal moisture. Then sand back to the last fine grit, repolish, and reseal. That usually fixes recurring cloudiness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.